Good morning. This is Mr. Sanavani. It's 5:49 a.m. on December 9th, and we're going to make this child's toy. And I wanted to make the content for the YouTube video just so that we can let you look at it outside of our normal in-class instruction and just go over some of the finer points. So for this video, we're going to set up just the central part like we did in class yesterday. So let's go ahead and start a sketch, put it on this face, and draw a rectangle. I'm back in millimeters, so I'm going to hit escape and change my document settings to inches because all the instructions were given in inches. Okay, here we go. I'm dragging this open, and for this example, I'm going to click. So this is for the people who didn't dimension as you go. It's way easier to dimension as you go, but let's say you didn't do that. You can come up and start clicking dimension. This top line should be 5.75, and this side should be 3. Okay? Go ahead and click this green check mark to finish your sketch, and you're going to extrude this 0.75 inches thick. Okay? So you got the platform part. And anytime you have a flat surface, well, you can just put a sketch right on there. So I'm going to click Start or Create Sketch and click this flat surface. Now I'm drawing right on the flat surface. We're going to go ahead and make a line. The line is going to be bisecting this rectangular prism. And it's a real line, so I have to convert that real line to a construction line. Here's how you do that. You right-click on the line you just made and come down to Normal Construction. Changes it to a dashed line. That's your clue that you've made a good construction line. We're going to throw the 3 shapes right on the line. We'll start with the circle. Circle goes kind of over here. And before I click, I can just press the number 1, and that makes it a 1-inch circle. I'm going to go make a center point rectangle by choosing it off the list there. Draw that open and type 1, tab 1, enter. Now I've got this 1-inch rectangle. And for the third one, it's a polygon. So I'll click on the top polygon. And you'll see it wants to lock into the center of the construction line. So that's what we want. So if you can get yours to start right in the center of this construction line, that's good. You'll see it starts as a hexagon as the default. So hit tab and type in 3. And that gives you a nice triangle. Now this triangle is totally jacked up, but we're going to fix it real quick. First thing to do is to make it either vertical or horizontal. And I'm going to make it horizontal. So I'll click the horizontal vertical geometric constraint and click this top line, and that snaps it to horizontal. Next step is to dimension this triangle. So I turned on dimension. Click the side that is horizontal and the point, come way over and type in 1, and now we've got the 3 shapes. Once you're here, you can finish the sketch. Oh wait, we still need to locate the rectangle and the circle. So with dimension on, click the center point of the circle and the far edge of your rectangular prism. And we said this was 1.25, so that just moved it over a little bit and located the circle where we ultimately want it. Do the same thing for the rectangle. That one was a little bit closer, so this one might not move a whole lot. And now they're located, they're sized, and everything's good dimension-wise. So we're going to finish the sketch, hit extrude, change it to cut, and just click all 3 of these things. Okay. Which way are we cutting them? We'll pull the arrow down and say OK. Now we've got our first body complete. We're going to change it to a component, and it'll be game over for this video. Boink. So over here on the left, you have what's called your browser, and we're going to open up the bodies caret and left click on body 1. And click Create Components from Bodies. It's just that easy, folks. Once you get done with this, you want to save your work. So click on the little Save Disk up here, and I'll call it Child's Toy 2, and Where is it going? It's going into my first project. So I'm just going to keep note of that. If I wanted to make a new project, I could probably do that, but this will be fine. Actually, let's make a new project. We'll call it Child's Toy. Click on that. And make sure it's selected down here. Now it's going to save Child's Toy 2 into Child's Toy. Okay? That's it for this one. And the next one, we're going to make the 3 pegs that go into here.